This video is to go over WestRock's upgrade to the most current version of Oracle Transportation Management and the differences between the previous version. WestRock has upgraded to the most up-to-date version of Oracle Transportation Management, version 6.4.3. This version includes a new look and feel and new functionality. There's also an emphasis on maximizing screen space and to make the most used functions easier to access. While the screens and actions and functions from our previous version remain, the layout and look is slightly different. Columns on results pages may have adjusted with the upgrade as well. If the sizing is off, please reach out to the OTM team to adjust them. So you'll still access OTM via tms.westrock.com. Enter your username and password. Then on the home page, you'll see the navigator, the springboard, and the unified global header. The navigator icon allows you to access all of your assigned menus. Note that the navigator might have more entries than the springboard. All menu items are always shown on the navigator. The springboard is a grid of icons on the home page. These are menus which are most used and are therefore on the springboard for quicker access. Menu groups are indicated by an orange folder icon, and you can return to the springboard at any time by clicking the home icon on the unified global header. The unified global header is the area across the top of the UI. It contains the following icons: Home, which returns you to the springboard; Global Search, which allows you to enter at least the first 3 characters of an existing saved search or saved query to see a list of saved search or saved query IDs. Favorites, which you can click to view a list of your user favorites. Different objects can be starred to be able to quickly return to them in this menu. Business Monitor, which is most commonly used for the red screen error. This is to show duplicate ref nums. Notification icon, which opens the message center. Help, which is a reference guide for OTM. Settings and actions, which you can click on to see user details, system details, troubleshooting, and administration. On the settings and actions pop-up, you can also sign out of OTM. Once you click into a screen to query an object, you'll notice the screen looks largely the same as the previous version with a few exceptions. All fields should be the same. All tabs should be the same, and the saved queries should all be the same along the bottom of the screen. Inside the screens, you will notice all the columns are the same. The toolbar is laid out slightly different, however. What you can view at any given time in the results page is limited to 1,000 results. And if you export, you're limited to the first 5,000 results. There's a toolbar in the upper left of the screen that contains the following, and note that these may not be on all screens. Actions. This is where you access all actions for the objects on your screen. New. This is used to create new objects. View. This is used to view a selected object. Edit. This is used to edit selected objects. And delete. This is used to delete selected objects. Rerun query. This is used to refresh the query data on the screen. Print. This is used to print the query data. And search criteria, which shows your current search criteria used to return the data that's shown below. There are additional tools on the lower portion of the screen that contain New Query, which returns to the search criteria with all fields clear. Refine Query, which returns to the search criteria with current criteria still filled in. Export, which exports selected objects, or if none are selected, exports all of the results up to 5,000. Saved Query is a list of saved queries for the object type, which you can select and execute query to see the results. A new type of screen available in OTM version 6.4.3 is the Workbench. This allows for multiple types of objects to be viewed and edited all in one screen. This allows seamless usage of clicking one object and seeing associated objects on the same screen to make edits or to query. This example is an accessorial approval workbench. This screen allows the user to view and edit multiple aspects of accessorials before approving and declining. The user stays on the same screen to complete the full review process. There are many potential uses for Workbench that we may find useful in the near future.